Welcome to the Agile Open Arizona Conference. Hey Dan, glad to see you and have you here. We have PMI Tucson hanging out with us. I think this is really a great partnership, right? As we bring agility into traditional project management, and we start to build a great community here in Tucson. Agile is a great catalyst for growth in any industry. It's not just the software. Well, we're saying that we need all brains and hearts and decks to help us to improve, right, our organization and society. So we need everyone involved. That's why I love being in the Agile community, because it's one of the few places where not only do we use our brains and our minds, we also use our hearts, and we wear it on our sleeves a lot of the time, because we think people are the core important aspect of any business and any organization. And it's sustaining it, because it's not going to stay if we don't practice this as part of our culture. Right? So we need to sustain an engagement. So if we have this allyship community, right, which is not just the leaders, it's us in the organization, that we can start to make sure that it's sustained.
Consequences of psychological safety include that people are more likely to partner with each other. They're more likely to admit they made a mistake.
Get into sustaining it, because it's not going to stay if we don't practice this as part of our culture. Right? So we need to sustain an engagement. So if we have this allyship community, right, which is not just the leaders, it's us in the organization, that we can start to make sure that it's sustained. I mean, it's like any other practice you bring into your organization. If you don't work on it, it's going to go away.